In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Dell laptop brightness not working on Windows 11. So first in your PC, head over to the Start menu and simply type in Device Manager and open it up. And now once inside, look for monitors, then expand it. Now if you have one or more monitors, all you have to do is first right click on the first monitor and press disable device. The same with the other monitor. If you have multiple monitors, you just have to repeat the same process. And once done, you just have to enable it once again. So right click, then now press enable device. The same with your other monitors. Then next look for display adapters, then expand it as well. Then next is right click on the entry under it, then press uninstall device. Here make sure that you tick the box beside attempt to remove the driver for this device, then proceed by pressing the uninstall button. After that, your screen should then black out for a moment or for seconds. And after that, all you have to do is press this button to scan hardware changes, and your display adapter should then reappear in this section. But if not, all you have to do is right click on the entry under it, then press update driver. Here, choose browse my computer for drivers. Then let me pick from a list, then select the compatible hardware and press next. Now, if none of those fixes work from your desktop's wallpaper, simply right click, then click on Open in Terminal. Make sure that you run it as administrator. Then next in here, you need to type in the exact code that will be shown on your screen. So type in SFC, then slash scan now, then press enter. And once the scanning is complete, the last thing you may want to do is try restarting your Dell laptop. Your problem with brightness should then be fixed. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!